This next lesson exercise is what I've always referred to as 5-4-3. It is a combination of mixed stickings. The 5 is right, left, left. The 4 is what you refer to as mama daddy, right, left. And the 3 is right, left. And I like to use the right hand moving around clockwise on the drum set. So 5 on the snare drum, 4 on the high tom, and 3 on the floor. The key is, remember, really let the last note, which is always a double stroke, be ghosted as much as possible. Okay, I am now going to play that on the ride and add a kick drum to each right hand, again referred to as the right hand lead. In the process of playing, you're going to want to put a hi-hat in if you're playing jazz to give a feeling of 2 and 4. So in this particular exercise, I always tell people on the 5, you play a hi-hat on the double. So I was like, on the double. 4 gets nothing, it's just no hi-hat. And 3, which is the single stroke, gets 1 hi-hat with the right hand. So 5-4-3 with a hi-hat, on the double, 1 downbeat. Hey, Saoirse, if you wouldn't mind, if you could, I've already demonstrated, you can get a little loose with it, go a little faster, and play it a few times on the toms and go as the right hand lead. When you were learning this, do you recall any particular challenges or things that you remember? It could be enjoying it or anything that comes to your mind with regard to this.
I think definitely the coordination aspect of it was difficult with the hi-hat, especially with the right hand lead getting that. That was difficult just because of the going on. But I think what really helped for me was to try to hear it as a melody rather than a bunch of stickings. Da da do dom dom da da do dom dom, rather than right left, you know, because it's a lot more intuitive to be able to hear it as a melody, and it's a lot easier to internalize rather than having to remember the sticking.
Absolutely. You know, again, I've been playing for a while, and again, through the lessons that I was able to take with Efren Toro, he really focused it on our solos and fills with an impetus of melodies, and this helps the student start beginning that. There's the initial coordination, but ultimately you want to hear it as a melody, so as you move it around the drums or cymbals, you're not trapped in a lick. You know, we're not trying to be stuck in licks. Right now, yeah, it sort of is a lick. It's a definite pattern, but the goal is to gradually move from clockwise to counterclockwise, right hand lead, moving the left, etc. But everything starts with something. This next lesson will expand on 5-4-3, and we're going to call it 3-5-4, 5-4-3. It's just changing the numbers around. 3 is still right, left. 5 is right, left. And the 4 again is mama daddy. So 3-5-4. Again, I'm trying to make my right hand be the dominant sound melody, and I'm trying to ghost my left. My hi-hat, if I do the same coordination, it will be on the downbeat of 5. So 3, this left foot will push down on the 5. And then when I move to the 4, I will push the hi-hat down on the second 4. Here it is, right hand lead. The object is to put them together, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. So 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3 with the hi-hat. Again, 3, 5 on the hi-hat, 4, then 5 on the double, 4, 3. Once you got that, on the right cymbal, no hi-hat yet. Foot coordination becomes a thing. I started recognizing sometimes it's just too much. Here's just the feet pattern of that. So I go 1, 2, a 4, na 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 na. That pattern you must be able to play that pattern before you even attempt to add your hand. So once the students can do that, I have them play that. Then the next pass, they play the full sticking 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. So how about that? Saoirse, you mind demonstrating that? Just the feet pattern first, and then 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. Do me a favor, why don't you play a little solo, put some right, right, left, right, and 3, 5, 4, just to get a little loose with it. Mm-hmm. So hopefully you could hear the melodies inside of that. Primarily those are the exercises he's doing. There's a couple of accents here and there, both hands, but I'm hoping that you can hear those patterns in that exercise.